In a bustling city far from the reach of most lived an ordinary young man named Ethan. Raised in a modest household, he held dreams of success and prosperity but felt shackled by his own doubts and insecurities. Little did he know that his life was about to change forever when he stumbled upon an enigmatic mentor, the renowned Professor Alexander. Professor Alexander was a reclusive genius known for his groundbreaking research in the realms of thought and speech. Rumors of his ability to transform lives through unlocking the true potential of the mind and communication spread like wildfire. Ethan's curiosity was piqued, and he set out on a quest to find the elusive professor, hoping to learn the secrets that had propelled so many to greatness. After days of relentless pursuit, Ethan found himself standing at the doorstep of a mysterious old mansion. Hesitant but determined, he knocked on the door. The door creaked open, revealing an eccentric-looking man with a kind smile, who introduced himself as Professor Alexander. Impressed by Ethan's determination, the professor agreed to take him under his wing and teach him the closely guarded techniques of thought and speech that had the potential to unleash unimaginable success. The journey began with the concept of mindful awareness, understanding the power of one's thoughts and recognizing how they shape reality. The professor taught Ethan the art of meditation and visualization, which helped him gain clarity and focus in his pursuits. Next, they dived into the realm of communication. Professor Alexander emphasized the importance of articulating thoughts effectively and empathetically. He explained that language not only serves as a tool for self-expression, but also as a bridge to connect with others. With the professor's guidance, Ethan honed his linguistic abilities, both written and spoken, becoming a persuasive communicator capable of inspiring and motivating those around him. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Ethan's transformation was astounding. He exuded confidence, and his ability to influence people grew exponentially. Empowered by his newfound skills, he embarked on ventures he had only dreamed of before. His successes seemed to multiply, and doors that were once firmly shut began to swing open. However, success was not without its share of challenges. Along the way, Ethan faced numerous obstacles that tested his resilience and commitment. Professor Alexander taught him that failures were stepping stones to growth, and that the journey to success was not always smooth. He instilled in Ethan the courage to embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and improve. With time, Ethan's reputation as a charismatic speaker and strategic thinker reached great heights. He was invited to speak at conferences, share his insights in leading publications, and even consulted with influential figures. He made a profound impact on people from all walks of life, leaving them inspired and motivated to pursue their own dreams. As Ethan's success grew, so did his desire to pay it forward. He founded an academy that aimed to provide young minds with the knowledge and tools to unlock their true potential. He offered scholarships to those who couldn't afford the tuition, ensuring that no one would be deprived of the chance to discover their brilliance. The academy flourished, and Ethan's impact on the world was immeasurable. He became an embodiment of success through thought and speech, and his story became a beacon of hope for countless individuals seeking to fulfill their aspirations. Looking back on his journey, Ethan realized that the secrets Professor Alexander had shared weren't merely about achieving material success. It was about discovering one's inner strength and using it to make a positive difference in the world. He understood that true success was not just about personal gain, but about leaving a legacy that inspired others to strive for greatness. As the years passed, Ethan's hair turned gray, but his spirit remained young and vibrant. He continued to dedicate his life to empowering others, leaving behind a profound legacy that would endure for generations to come. In the end, the story of Ethan and Professor Alexander serves as a testament to the boundless potential that lies within each of us. The power of thought and speech, when harnessed with mindfulness and empathy, can propel us to heights beyond imagination. By unlocking these secrets, we have the key to unlocking our own success and making a positive impact on the world around us.